Stressed ka na ba sa life? Pagod ka na ba kaka-work? Failed efforts sa business? Grind ng grind pero wala pa ring resulta? Baka nakakalimutan lang natin ang tunay na source ng mga bagay na pinaghihirapan natin. Sabi ni Jesus sa John 15, I am the vine, you are the branches. He who abides in me bears much fruit. Notice, hindi sinabing try harder, hindi sinabing force growth, hindi sinabing grind ng grind. Ang sinabi ay abide. Ang word na abide sa Greek ay meno. Ibig sabihin to remain, to stay connected, to dwell, to continue in union. Hindi ito effort word. Connection word ito. Ang branch hindi nag-e-effort magbunga. Nakakabit lang siya sa vine. Ang fruit, automatic kapag may connection. Ito ang grace principle. You don't produce by pressure. Masistress ka lang. You produce by knowing your position, your identity. Kapag nakakabit ka kay Jesus, may fruit, may provision, may peace, may wisdom. Hindi pilit, natural lang. So kung pagod ka na, stop forcing, relax, and abide. Depend on Jesus. Rest in Him. Believe in Jesus, my friend. Siya ang vine, ikaw ang branch. Comment mo, I abide in Jesus, I bear much fruit. Blessed to be a blessing.